Make sure the machine is on. Open the ink cartridge cover. Remove the orange protective part. Unpack the magenta ink. Be sure to match the ink cartridge color with the ink slot color. Push press to install the ink cartridge. Insert the cyan and yellow ink cartridges into the correct slots. Unpack the black ink. Shake the black ink cartridge horizontally 15 times. Insert the black ink cartridge into the correct slot. Verify again that the ink cartridge matches the ink slot color. Close the ink cartridge cover. Cleaning starts and will last about 6 minutes. Do not turn off or unplug the machine. When cleaning is finished, press Start to print the quality check sheet. Check the print quality and follow the LCD instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your machine setup.